Hello, friends. Yesterday, we learned about the importance of forming good habits. Today, let me start with a quote by Marty Rubin, and it goes: all clocks break, and what breaks them is time. A time creator operates from the state of realization that in the tussle between too much of work and too little time, it is Father Time who has the final laugh. On the mortal plane, our time is finite, it is limited. We all know that. So, today, in tip number 15, let's talk about the important subject of mortality. A time creator knows that to create more legroom and to enjoy his life happily, he needs to get rid of the non essentials, to eliminate what is not wanted and focus on what is important. The clock in the example or in the quotation is the human effort that tries to measure time from one sunrise to another and fill it with meaningful activity. In the Mahabharata, Yudhishthir, who is also known to be the king amongst wise, he says that he's baffled by one peculiar thing about the world which he never could understand, and that is that men who know about the inevitability of death still plan, work, and earn for the future as if they're going to live forever. He says there was nothing more surprising about the behavior of a human being than this. To grasp the immeasurable value of time, it is important for us to understand that we need to operate from the fact that the train of breaths that animates this body will stop one day. So, ladies and gentlemen, what's the action? Action is pick up your notebook and write down five of those things that you do every day which need not be done and replace them with five very essential things that will give you value. So that's for today. I'm the Time Brigadier, and you are watching 51 Time Investment Protocols and Strategies. Keep writing your feedback and your sharing of your experience as we go along these 51 tips, and wait for tip number 16 tomorrow.